Sapagkat we were thinking perhaps Gary David ang ilalagay nila on James Yap or maybe someone even bigger like Doug Kramer kanina. Pero si Winnie Arboleda, we were talking about him against Roger Yap, diba?
Yeah.
Pero hindi ganun ang matchup dito. And Arboleda has garnered 2 fouls against this guy, James Yap.
And let's see, James Yap, 17 big points na siya eh.
Kabila naman si Gary David, humahabol na, nakasampu na rin. And those are the main scorers.
18 points para dito kay James Yap, matching his jersey number.
Ang Air 21 tumawag ng 30-second timeout with 2:22 remaining here in the first half. Of course, Air 21 wants to have a good wind-up in the last 2:22 para naman makalapit ng konti going into the halftime break, which would give them a better chance to catch up in half number 2. And so far, Pure Foods, as I said earlier, is doing just enough to keep distance between the two teams. Pero there's no dominance yet in this game so far by either team. Ayun yung sinasabi mo kanina. Diba? Gusto nila mag-number 1 sa eliminations itong Air 21 because the last time, their highest in the eliminations was 5th. Diba? 5th place lang out of 10 teams. Diba? So, with this, if they finish at number 1,
baka pampataas ng moral yan eh.
ito na, Air 21. Homer Se. Winnie Arboleda. Waiting for the cutters. Walang kumakat sa gitna. Binabay rito kay Steven Thomas. Steven Thomas wants to challenge Ralimi again. Turn around. Jumper is good. 2 minutes left here in the first half. Down to Kirby Raimundo. Pero nasara ng pinto nitong Steven Thomas. Villanueva. The lob to Ralimi. Ralimi sinupalpal ni Steven Thomas. Turnaround jumper. Doesn't go on the rebound. Ranidel controls. Ganda ng bakbakan underneath ng mga big men of these two teams. The bounce pass anticipated ni Roger Yap. And a sorry miscue there on Air 21's part. Roger Yap. Kumali. Laki nung humarap sa kanya. Steven Thomas losing it at the end line. Iba yung intimidation factor na isa Steven Thomas. Talagang, you know, with that height and that heft, yung presence talaga ni Steven Thomas, malaking bagay.
Tignan mo yan. Eh kung si Ralimi na butata, si Roger pa.
Yun na nga. And here's Pure Foods. James Yap, one-hander once again. Wala yan. Finally, the rebound is Steven Thomas. This is a 3-on-1. Homer Se.
Awkward as it may seem.
That was a pretty good decision on Homer Se's part. Akala ko magkakamali na naman, mag-error doon on the play si Homer Se. But he was able to give it up last second for Winnie Arboleda's completion. Ito si Enrico Villanueva, hook shot niya. Goes in. Balik sa 8 ang lamang ng Pure Foods. 42 seconds remaining, first half. Gary David tumanggap. No hesitation, 3. Wide left ang kanyang tira. Homer Se. Offensive rebound and miss. Tapikan ng bola rito. Steven Thomas, last touch. Balik sa white shirts. 31.9 remaining. 30-second timeout ang tinawag ng panig ng Pure Foods. So they want to cook up something too dito bago matapos ang ating first half to try to get the biggest possible lead at the midway point of this game. And it's really great. Up and down basketball. Ito mangyayari ito, eliminations natin. Diba? Double round robin, top 2, outright semis. Nandun na nga yung Air 21. Nag-aantay pa ng isa. Third, fourth, fifth, outright quarters. 6, 7, 8, 9, wild card. 10th team eliminated. Well coached na yun.
Yung 6 versus 9. Ganyan yan.
So everybody else except, diba? Tapos ito mangyayari sa wild card. Yun nga, tapos quarterfinals, number 3 versus the wild card winner, 4 and 5. For the chance to meet Air 21 and whoever else gets into the outright semis. Alam mo, anybody except Wellgoat can still be the champion of this conference.
Pwede.
Diba? Diba? Possibly, diba? So tira natin, buhay na buhay pa rin with the wild card phase and all the chances to get there. Ito si Kirby Raimundo, quick jumper off the timeout.
Baling-bali no? 14 points in the ball game for Kirby Raimundo.
Winnie Arboleda holding for the last shot. Itong Air 21 Express down by 10. They want to cut it to single digits bago matapos.
Offensive foul pa itong maitatawag against Homer Se. And tinapon na yung opportunity for the last shot dito sa first half, ano?
Leaving 8.9 seconds for Pure Foods to make this lead bigger. It's already at 10. Baka maging 12 o 13, depende sa pangyayari. Ito, si Roger Yap checks the clock. 6 seconds, it says. Yap, the lob to Rolimi. Nakuha ng mga purple shirts. 1 second to go. Gary David doesn't get to it in time. Same result ng end ng first quarter. Ganun din ang second quarter. Air 21 unable to complete. And after 24 minutes of action, Pure Foods has kept itself about 10 points away from the other team, more or less. Ganun na nga nangyari. We turn it over to Magumar John. He's with James Yap.
James, kung sino-sino nang tinapon na defender sa'yo ng Air 21, pero 18 points ka pa rin in the first half. Parang ibang klase gigil mo ngayon.
Well, siyempre, di ba, medyo maliit na lang yung chance namin sa quarterfinals. So, kailangan talaga maging 100% ka sa ginagawa mo sa loob. Kahit sino yung depensa na ipabato sa'yo, kailangan handa ka.
Sabi ni Coach Ryan before this ball game, nagpipeak na raw kayo ngayon at the right time. Ano assessment mo dito?
Well, kasi focus talaga kami sa practice namin everyday, no? Yun yung ini-emphasize ni Coach sa amin.
So maraming salamat, James, and good luck in the second half. Back to you guys.
Well, he's really waxed out here in the first half. Let's see if he can keep it up in the second. As we go into halftime with Pure Foods up by 10 points, 59-49.